Eggplant, also known as aubergine in some parts of the world, is a versatile and nutrient-rich vegetable commonly used in various cuisines. It has a mild, slightly nutty flavor and a spongy texture when cooked. Here are the nutritional facts and potential health benefits of eggplant. Nutritional facts of eggplant. Calories. 1 cup, approximately 99 grams, of cooked, cubed eggplant contains about 20 calories, making it a low-calorie vegetable. Carbohydrates. Eggplant is relatively low in carbohydrates, providing approximately 5 grams per cup. Dietary fiber. Eggplant is a good source of dietary fiber, with about 2.5 grams per cup. Fiber supports digestion, aids in regular bowel movements, and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Vitamins. Eggplant contains various vitamins, including vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and folate. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting, vitamin C supports immunity, and acts as an antioxidant, while vitamin B6 and folate are essential for various metabolic processes in the body. Minerals. Eggplant contains minerals such as potassium, manganese, and magnesium. Potassium helps maintain a healthy heart rhythm, manganese contributes to bone health, and magnesium supports muscle and nerve function. Phytonutrients. Eggplant contains phytonutrients like niacinine and anthocyanins, which have antioxidant properties that help protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Health benefits of eggplant. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in eggplant may contribute to heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Weight management. Eggplant is low in calories and carbohydrates while being rich in fiber, making it a satisfying and nutritious choice for those looking to manage their weight. Digestive health. The fiber in eggplant supports healthy digestion and aids in regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and supporting a healthy digestive system. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that compounds in eggplant may help improve blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity, making it a beneficial vegetable for individuals with diabetes. Anti-inflammatory effects. The antioxidants in eggplant, including anthocyanins, may have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions. Bone health. The manganese in eggplant contributes to bone health by supporting bone development and maintenance. Cancer prevention. Some research suggests that the antioxidants in eggplant may have cancer preventive properties, particularly in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. Skin health. The antioxidants in eggplant may promote healthy skin by protecting against free radical damage and maintaining skin elasticity. Eggplant is a versatile vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes, such as stir-fries, curries, casseroles, and grilled dishes. While it offers potential health benefits, it's important to note that its nutrient content may vary depending on the cooking method. Baking, roasting, or grilling eggplant with minimal added fats is a healthier option compared to frying, which can increase its calorie content significantly. As with any food, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized dietary advice, especially if you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions.